Hey guys, today, let's learn how to upload high-quality YouTube Shorts. If you would like to go ahead and upload YouTube Shorts in the highest quality possible, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, if you'd like to go ahead and basically upload YouTube Shorts on the highest quality possible, well, I would like you guys to go ahead and make sure as well that you were uploading on full quality first. So go ahead and launch the YouTube application. And in what I want you guys to do on here is to go ahead and tap on your U page. Tap on your settings. And I want you to tap on, of course, the option to change your specific upload quality. So once you're here, I would like you to tap on your settings. As we did right now, scroll down until you see your upload section. And let's see if that is available right here. So over on uploads, when you tap on upload quality, let's go ahead and tap on full quality so that it will be uploaded on the fullest quality we have for that specific short. Now from here, if you'd like to go ahead and upload YouTube Shorts in its highest quality, you do need a few ingredients to this, if I may say. So the first step is to have basically a high quality video camera. So if you have a high quality DSLR or some other camera that can shoot up to 2000 or 4000, that would be great. We could also go ahead and use your phones. If you have an iPhone device or an Android device that shoots 4000 video, you could also go ahead and utilize that as well. Now, what we need to do next is to go ahead and hop onto our editing software and also set the required resolutions, your video to, of course, the highest quality that you could use to export from that specific video. Once that is done, your videos are ready to be uploaded, and you may now go ahead and upload your YouTube short on its highest quality just by doing those steps. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.